If you use Cursor Eye every day, changing the theme is one of the easiest ways to make the editor feel more comfortable, more readable, and a little more personal. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change the theme in Cursor AI in just a few clicks. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to switch between dark, light, and high contrast modes depending on what works best for you. If this video helps, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Cursor AI and look toward the top right corner of the app. You should see a gear icon there, which is where Cursor keeps most of its settings. Click that gear icon to open the Settings menu. Once the Settings window appears, look for the Appearance tab. This section controls how Cursor looks and feels on your screen, including visual preferences like the theme, layout styling, and other display options. Go ahead and click Appearance. Now that you're in the Appearance settings, find the Theme drop-down menu. This is the setting you'll use to change the overall color mode of Cursor AI. When you click the drop-down, you'll see the available theme options. You can choose Dark if you want a lower light interface that's easier on the eyes, especially if you're working late or prefer a modern coding environment. You can choose Light if you want a brighter, cleaner look that may feel easier to read in well-lit spaces. And if you want extra visibility and stronger contrast, you can choose High Contrast, which can be helpful for readability and accessibility. Select the theme you want, and Cursor AI should apply the change right away. In most cases, you'll instantly see the interface update, so you can decide whether the new look feels better for your workflow. If it does, then you're all set. If not, just return to the theme dropdown and try another option until you find the one that suits you best. That's really all there is to it. Changing the theme in Cursor AI only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference in your daily experience, especially if you spend a lot of time inside the editor. A better theme can help reduce eye strain, improve focus, and make the app feel more personalized to the way you work. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Cursor AI tips, app walkthroughs, and quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.